Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video guys, we will discuss about some of the future profile, right? So suppose you are a manual tester or you are working in the different profile. Suppose you are working in the support, right? Or you are also working in, I can say in HR profile, or you are working the some non-tech profile, right? So in the future definitely you have to require some extra skill set. You have a multiple skill set, right? Because nowadays days you can see a lot of competition in the market. So I have done some research. Many profiles are there most demanding in the market. So I'm not going to tell you, suppose you are a manual tester, you can learn automation, or if you already know the automation testing profile, right? So now these days, the companies are looking for multi-skilled people. Okay. For multi-skilled people means what I can say, I will suggest you to go for data scientist, one of the best profile as of now in the market and most demanding profile now these days. Okay, so just I have done some R&D and definitely, if you are looking for, you know, uh, decent hike as well. Suppose you are a fresher also, and if you want to start your career, so you can start the career with data scientist. So if you will go through, just you can do R&D. What is data scientist? You can see data. So every business be required data. Suppose you are using Facebook, right? And you are seeing some ad over there, right? So I am running some ads. How this will target to the specific audience? Understood, right? So this is how the data is important to run any specific business. Got it, right? So in the future, definitely you have required some, multi-skilled. Okay. So again, the question is, what is the salary of that and all? Okay. So if you will go for data scientist salary, so you can see average salary will start from 12 lakhs. Okay. So again, it depend upon, you know, are you going to join as a fresher? Are you going to join as a experience? So it depend upon the salary will vary, but we having the best salary right now and be having the lot of demand for the data scientist. So again you have to ask the question, I don't know anything, I have a career gap as well, so where I can learn this profile, right? Where I can learn. So learning is not a big deal, you can learn from anywhere, right? But the thing is, you are learning something and you are going to implement, then you have some guidance also how to crack the interview, how to prepare your resume, right? So this all the things you have to require, guys. You need some experienced guys, experienced faculty, experienced teacher. They can help you to reach out your destination. Okay, so I will refer guys one of the best institute for the data scientist, that is called OdinSchool. Okay, so if you want to learn, or if you want to switch your profile in your data scientist profile, so definitely you can learn from here. You can enroll the course from here. Okay. So what you have to do, you can see, just I have done many R&D. I found that Odin a school, one of the best institute, and they are providing the excellent training. So many of the people got blessed from here. Okay, so you can see, I'll just go in the data scientist. So if you will land, so you will get this link in the description. You can just go through this website, and you can just, if you will go in the website or in a school. So if you want the more information, just you can, you can request a call back. So you can just fill the form and definitely you will get call back. If you're having the more query as well, so they will definitely help you. So now these guys are also providing a 30,000 a scholarship. Okay, so this all the, they will, you can just request a call back, and definitely whatever your questions you can frequently ask, like if you want to attend the demo class, you can ask from them. Okay, so if I will go here, you can see many hiring companies, they have many hiring companies are there, so they are also providing the placement. Okay, you can see many top level of the MNC companies, they have a tie up with that OdinSchool. Okay, so if I will go for that, you can see many success story we have, right? You can see many of the people placed in the top level of the MNC company. You can just go through this. Okay, apart from that, um, I'll go for this curriculum also. Okay, so here what the syllabus they have included. Okay, so if we will go down, you can see you will get some curriculum also. So you can just check this curriculum, like what they're going to cover in this course. Okay, so we have some bonus module as well. You can see here. Okay, so they will support you everything. So don't worry. You can download the watchers here also. Okay, and if you will go down here, okay, so you can see what the things they will provide. So this is the live online classes, boost compress, scholarship, curriculum. You will get live project as well. They will prepare for the mock interview with dedicated team, career service, support. They will support you, right? Placement opportunities. A lot of the placement opportunity they have, and salary negotiation. Okay. So they're having the industry level faculty, guys. So if you will go here, you can see uh, the mentors, the people who is already working in the top level of the MNC company. Can see principal applied for this Mohit Swag, so working in the Microsoft, right? The so they are the speakers and mentors. They are working in the top level of the MNC company. Okay, so if you want to switch your profile in your data scientist, if you want to learn, just you can click below link for more information. Please request to call back. Whatever the other information you want, you will get it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any query, you can comment below, and definitely I will reply back to you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Might be you are not interested or you are working in the different profile. Share this video. The people who is jobless or they are a fresher, they want to study, they want to learn data scientist. Please share this video as well. Thank you so much. In the next video, bye bye.